If you want to know how to clear dialog on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. So basically, if you'll open our Snapchat and you'll open our chat folder here, and if we'll try to delete our conversation, for example, if we'll click and hold our finger, you won't be able to find any options to do this. But basically, we have the solution. All we need to do is that we need to simply open our profile page and then go to settings in the right top corner. Then scroll down to find basically privacy controls, and here we need to click on clear data. So after that we'll come to this page where we can clear a lot of stuff, but we need to click on clear conversations. And as you can see here, we can find all the conversation we have with some guys. And in order to delete dialog, to clear the conversation, we just simply need to click on cancel or delete. And as you can see, are you sure you want to clear this conversation? Will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete it any saved or sent messages in your conversation. We need to click on clear. So this is a way of how can we clear dialog on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you out. Hit like, subscribe, goodbye.